Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Judicial Service. Today we are going here to solve the MPPCJ paper 2012. In this video we cover only 50 questions because when we cover the whole 100 question the video become longer. That's why I decided here to solve 50 questions in part 1. In another part we cover the remaining 50 questions. So if anybody is not watched the previous videos which are related to the MPPCJ paper 2013, 2009 or 2010. So all the link of these videos are available in our description box. So before starting this video, I request you, if you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it and please like and share our videos. Now come to the point here. Question number 1. If the offense is punishable with imprisonment and fine both, this is important here, the offense is punishable with imprisonment and fine both, then in default of payment of fine, the maximum term may be, so maximum term may be dash the prescribed maximum term. So maximum term may be 1/4 of the prescribed maximum term. So answer of this question is here option D. Now question number 2. Which of the following section of IPC the act done in pursuance to judgment or order of court is not an offense? So this thing is related to section 78 of IPC. So answer is here option A. Now question number 3. A by putting B in fear of grievous hurt dishonestly induced B to sign on the blank paper and delivering it to A. A has committing the offense of, so A has committing the offense of extortion. So answer is here option B. Now question number 4. C under the influence of passion excited by provocation given by A intentionally kill A's child name B. C has committing an offense of. So here C under the influence of passion excited by provocation given by A, the intentionally kill A's child named B. C has committing the offense of murder here. So answer of this question is here option A. Now question number 5. The word dishonestly as defined under section 24. So section 24 dealing with dishonestly of IPC means, so with the intention of causing wrongful gain to one person. This is important word here, wrongful gain. And now option B, with intention to causing wrongful loss, this is important here, to another person. Option C here, with intention to causing wrongful gain to one person and with the intention to causing a wrongful loss to another person. And option D here, all of the above are true. So here in word dishonestly under section 24, all these terms are involved in this section. So answer is here all of the above are true. So answer option D here. Now question number 6. Which one of the following act not a mode of abatement under the IPC? So first option here instigation, second here aiding, option C here conspiracy, option D here an attempt. So it is clear here an attempt is not including in here abatement. So answer is here option D. Now question number 7. The accused was entrusted with some silver for the purpose of making ornament. So here accused was entrusted here, this is very important here, entrusted some silver for the purpose of making ornament and he dishonestly mixed copper into the ornament. The offense committed is. So it is clear here the accused entrusted some silver here and he mixed the copper in the when he making the ornament from that silver. So answer is here criminal breach of trust. He committing here offense of criminal breach of trust. So answer here option D. Question number 8. The intention of causing death is not essential under section 300 clause. So intention to cause death is not essential under section 300 clause 4 because clause 4 dealing with here knowledge. So known here and all these clause first, second and third using the word intention. So answer of this question is here option D. Now question number 9. The code of criminal procedure can be amended by option A here, Parliament or any state legislature. So this is the correct answer of this question here. The code of criminal procedure means CRPC 1973 can be amended by Parliament and any state legislature. So option A is correct here. Now question number 10. The judgment of acquittal passed by judicial magistrate is appealable before session court in any offence. So before session court in any cognizable and non-bailable offence. So answer is here option A. Now question number 11. Under section 313 of code, the purpose of examination of accused is option A here, to enabling the accused personally to explain any circumstances appearing in the evidence against him. Option B here, to enabling to accused to know his defense. Option C here, to enabling to accused to know about the charges, and option D all of the above. So under section 313, in this section, the examination of accused by the court. So the purpose of this section is here, so to enabling the accused personally to explain any circumstance appearing in the evidence against him. So answer of this question is here option A. Now question number 12. So FIR, first information report, is registered under following section. So FIR which is first information report is registered under section 154. So answer of this question is here option C, and FIR is not defined in anywhere in CRPC. So now come to question number 13. Under section 125 of code, can order to make maximum monthly allowance for the maintenance. So section 125 of CRPC dealing with the maintenance. So the allowance for maintenance up to, so there is no limitation, so it is unlimited here. So answer is here option D. Now question number 14. Where it appeared to the court that the accused do not have sufficient means to engage a pleader, the court shall assign a pleader for his defense at expenses of the state. This provision is in, so this provision in section 304. So answer is here option D. Now question number 15. Any public prosecutor or assistant public prosecutor can charge of case may before the judgment is pronounced withdraw from the prosecution of any person. For this he has to take consent of, so he has to take consent of court. So answer of this question is here option C. Question number 16. The sentence of death awarded by court of session, the proceedings shall be submitted to confirmation before. So if the sentence of capital if sentence, a death sentence here given by the session court, so such order before executing sent to confirmation to high court, sent confirmation for to high court. So answer is here option C, the high court. Now question number 17. So question 17 dealing with the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. So under section 138 of Act, the complaint may be made from the date on which the cause of action arises. So complaint may be made from the cause of action arises 1 month. So answer is here option B. Now question number 18. Under section 138 of Act, maximum term of imprisonment is, so maximum term of imprisonment is here 2 years. So answer of this question is here option B. Under section 138 Negotiable Instrument 1881, the punishment for term up to 2 years here and with fine, and which may be extended twice of amount of check. This is very important, twice of amount of check or with both. So this thing is this type of question many times asked in various exams. So answer of this question is here option B. Now question number 19. Which of the following is not a bill of exchange? So it is clear here, share is not a bill of exchange. So share in a company is not a bill of exchange. So answer here option A. And remaining demand draft and post dated check, these are bill of exchange. So question number 20. The check in the electronic form is defined in Negotiable Instrument Act 1881 under section. So under section here explanation 1A of section 6. So answer is here option C. Now question number 21. These questions are related to general knowledge. Under which act the public holiday is declared? So under which act public holiday is declared? So public holidays is declared under Negotiable Instrument Act. So answer is here option C. Now question number 22. What is true about the membership of India in United States Security Council? India is a permanent member. This is wrong here. India is not a permanent member. So permanent members are only here in Security Council, USA, Britain, France, China and Russia. These are 5 permanent members, and there are 10 temporary members. So in Security Council there are maximum 15 members. 5 is permanent and remaining 10 is temporary for 2 years. Now option B here, India is a non-permanent member for 2 years. This option is correct here, because India is just now selected as 8th time as a non-permanent member, and this time India selected for term 2021 to 2022. So these 2 years India now getting this status of Security Council. So answer here option B. Now question number 23. Financial emergency has been imposed in India. So in India financial emergency never be imposed. So answer is here option D. And the provision of financial emergency is provided in which section? So under section 360. Now question number 24. The name of vitamin that need not support for digestion is? So vitamin B need not support for its digestion. So answer here option B. Question number 25. At 0 hour the parliament member can, so at 0 hour parliament member can ask the question on any subject without prior notice. So answer of this question is here option B. Now question number 26. Which state of India was blessed with first woman chief minister? So here Uttar Pradesh was blessed with first woman chief minister. So answer of this question is here option A. Now question number 27. The validity of check and bank draft shall be now for from the date of issuance. So the validity of check and bank draft shall be now for 3 months from the date of its issuance. So answer is here option B. Question number 28. The systolic pressure occurred when blood pressure is, so when blood pressure is maximum. So when blood pressure is maximum, the systolic pressure occurred. So answer is here option B. Now question number 29. The president of Press Council of India is, so we discuss here the present president of Press Council of India is, so present president of Press Council of India is Dr. Justice Chandramouli Kumar Prasad. So none of the answer is here. Justice Chandramouli, right here, Chandramouli Kumar Prasad. So he is the president of Press Council of India. Now question number 30. What is meaning of WLL? So the meaning of WLL is here wireless in local loop. So answer is here option C. Now question number 31. Which district of MP Bandhavgarh National Park, this is very important here, is situated? So Bandhavgarh National Park in MP situated in which district? So in district here Umaria. So answer is here option B. Now question number 32. Which of the dynasty is related to Madhya Pradesh? So which dynasty is related to Madhya Pradesh? Kalchuri dynasty related to Madhya Pradesh. So answer here option A. Now question number 33. Which of the following dam is not related to river Narmada? So which dam is here? Maheswar Dam. Yes, Maheswar Dam is related to Narmada. Indra Sagar and Bargi. These dams are related to Narmada river, but Gandhi Sagar dam is not related to Narmada. So answer here option D. Now question number 34. Who is the Chief Justice of Madhya Pradesh after reorganization of state MP in 1956? This question is previously discussed in previous paper. So answer of this question is here Sri Hiyatullah. So option C is correct here. Question number 35. The book on which film Three Idiot is based has been written by. So has been written by the book which is the film Three Idiots based. So Chetan Bhagat. Answer of this question is here option B. Now question number 36. The arrangement of data in the predetermined sequence is called option A here processing, option B sorting, option C is coding, and option D here classifying. So answer of this question is here sorting. The arrangement of data in predetermined sequence is sorting, is called sorting. Now question number 37. The result obtained by computer is called, so result obtained by computer is called output. So answer here option B. Now question number 38. The CPU, central processing unit, and RAM, random access memory, are located on the expansion board, motherboard, storage device, output device. So are located in motherboard. So answer here option B. Now question number 39. The server of computer that provide resource to other computer are connected to a network. So answer of this question is here option A. And mainframes, supercomputer, client, these are not correct here. So answer here network. Now question number 40. The operating system is most common type dash software. So operating system is a system software. So answer here option C. Now question number 40. Choose the synonyms of alter. So synonym of alter is here observant, energetic, clear, and watchful. So answer is here option D, watchful. Now question number 42. The meaning of locus standi is, so meaning of locus standi is a right to be heard, a duty to hear, a local right, a fundamental right. So meaning of local standi is right to be heard. So answer here option A. Now question number 43. The phrase to call in question means, so the phrase here call in question means option A here to invite a problem, option B to ask a question, option C to express doubt, and option D to solve a problem. So answer here option C, to express doubt. So the phrase to call in question means to express doubt. Now question number 44. The cold-blooded means docile, inactive, ruthless, infected. So answer of this question is here option C, ruthless. Option C is correct here. Now question number 45. The proposal of Mohan was accepted by him with open open mind, arm, doors, and hand. So it is clear here open arm. So answer is here option B. Now question number 46. The words socialist, secular were inserted in the preamble of Indian Constitution by option A here 15th Amendment Constitution, option B here 49th Amendment Constitution, option C here 42nd Amendment Constitution, and option D here 44th Amendment Constitution. So the words socialist, secular were inserted in the preamble of Indian Constitution by 42nd Amendment Act. So answer of this question is here option C. Now question number 47. Within the meaning of under Article 3 of Indian Constitution, the Parliament by law may and can, so option A, form a new state. So here important is options Article 3 here. Alter the area of state, alter the boundaries and name of existing state, and option D here all of the above. So it is clear here answer here option D, all of the above. Now question number 48. The expression every person in Article 5 of Constitution of India include, so every person include the prisoner, the member of armed force. Option C here, the person born in territory of India. Option D here, all of the above. So it is clear here, the expression every person in Article 5, Article 5 related to citizenship. So Article 5 of Constitution of India include all these things here, so all these persons here. So answer of this question is here option D. Now question number 49, which of the following include in the concept of state under Article 12 of Constitution of India? Option A here Railway Board, option B here Judiciary, option C here University. So Article 12 dealing with the state. So all these institutions are under state because it is governed by the central government or the government of India and getting the salary and all the other things. So it is under the state under Article 12. So answer is here option D. Now final question of this video, question number 50. Article 15 of Constitution of India does not permit the state to make a special provision for one of the following. Which one is that? Option A here socially and educationally backward class. Option B a class of specific religion. Option C only scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, and option D none of the above. So answer of this question is here under Article 15 the Constitution of India does not permit the state to make special provision for one of the following. Which one is that? Socially and educationally backward, yes, state can make for there, and the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, yes, in this article the state having the power to make a special provision for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. But option B a class of a specific religion, yes, on the basis of religion the state does not permit to make a special provision. So answer is here option B. Now finish this video. In next video we solve the remaining 50 question, and please like and share our videos, and if you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it. This channel is very helpful for your preparation. Thank you for watching Indian Judicial Service.